Welcome everyone to my channel Learn German with Rutuja. Today we are going to see the list of countries and how to pronounce the names of Deutsch. So let's go to the first slide. Indian. Indian is India. The USA oder America. England is England. Rusland. Rusland is Russia. Japan is Japan. Norwegian is Norway. Frankreich is France. Once again, Frankreich is France. Australian is Australia. Australian is Australia. Österreich. I repeat, Österreich. Once again, Österreich is Austria. Egyptian. Egyptian is Egypt. Ungarn. Ungarn is Hungary. Italian. Italian is Italy. These pronunciations are a little bit difficult, but if you practice every day, then it's not impossible. Poland. Poland is Poland. Die Schweiz. The Schweiz is Switzerland. Thank you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know the names of other countries of Deutsch, then please write down in the comment section. Thank you.